So what are we doing today?
So we are doing the connection for the photovoltaic.
For the solar. So just open that and then there's an on button. That's it.
The life insurance is not active, you know?
Huh? And then that one on the bottom. You're just going to...
This one?
Towards you. No, that way. There you go. And it's on!
Where's the light? Oh.
There's the light. So, solar is on. Woot woot! Happiness for savings. So this is the electrical panel. We turn this on. One. And then he's going to turn on the photovoltaic AC/DC. Up. There you go. So hard, huh? And then he's going to put the on for the photovoltaic DC disconnect. Okay. There you go. And then he's gonna turn on the side towards you. There you go. And then there you have it. I just don't know what color do we need to see on here. But here you go. So now what are we gonna do? How are we gonna be able to estimate all this solar energy that we're producing?
Yeah, we need to buy an electric car.
Electric car it is. Let's check out how are we gonna know if we are producing some energy. As you can see on this graph that every single hour we are producing some energy on that particular day. You can see this one per day, per week, per month, per year. The application is a good visual for you to be able to see how much you are really producing in a day, in a month, and a year. As you can see on this one, for the last 7 days, we produced 140 kilowatt hour already. So which is really good because it shows that we are having savings for the electrical energy. Well, thank you very much for watching, our dear friends. We will see you again in the next video. I hope that this helps how to turn on your solar system at home and how to save some energy and how to know if you are really saving energy. We will see you again in the next video. Thank you very much. We love you all. Until next time. Bye.